this event is something that's near and dear to so many artists' heart on GCU's campus. It's just a beautiful way to be around God's creation and then create things to show back.
This is our 5th year doing it, so I think it's just a beautiful way to bring live worship at GCU and dance, which is another form of worship, together.
Both the dance department and the worship arts department can come together to use our individual gifts in conjunction to just bring glory to the Lord.
I really hope that people get to see the interdisciplinary disciplines, the multiple disciplines, but then also intergenerational. There's freshmen here, seniors, post-grad, actually.
There's not one way to worship the Lord, and bringing in dancers and singers and musicians all kind of shows that whole and complete picture that the Lord created us each to worship in a different way is really beautiful.
If you feel led, if you feel God putting it on your heart to worship Him through art, don't say no. You have to pursue it. You have to run right for it.